सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Welcome back. In previous video lecture we discussed differential equation of some points given. First a definition: f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Using this definition to calculate the derivative of sin x, cos x, tan x and etc. And some standard functions are given: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta. Similarly, next, derivative of composite function theorem with statement and proof. Statement: dy upon dx equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Third point, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, question number 1 to question number 7. Next, last question number 8 activity. Question fourth point, geometrical meaning of derivative. Geometrical meaning of derivative means by the definition of derivative, slope limit q tends to p, slope of secant pq segment pq equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h equal to f dash a, means total derivative exists and finite. We get the answer f dash a. And fifth point, derivative of inverse function theorem with statement and proof. Inverse function theorem, dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx, statement with proof. And some important formulae for the inverse trigonometric function is already learned. Next, your turn to exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Find the derivative of function y equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function. Inverse function, dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Y equal to f of x means x equal to f inverse y. First problem, y equal to root x. Next, solution, y equal to root x, taking the square both sides, y square equal to x. Differentiating with respect to y, because using the inverse function, differentiating with respect to y means y square 2y, derivative of x with respect to y dx upon dy. But formula inverse function theorem, dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Dx upon dy equal to 2y means 1 upon 2y. Y equal to again root x means 2 root y. Y equal to root x. The total answer, dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Next, y equal to 3 x minus 2. Taking the 3 x minus 2, x minus 2, 3 raised to 1 upon 3. First term, second term same. Taking the cube both sides, y cube equal to x minus 2 raised to 3 raised to 3. 3 cancel, we get the value of y cube equal to x minus 2. Again, using the inverse function theorem, differentiating with respect to y, not x. Differentiating with respect to y, y cube 3y square, using the formula d dx of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Y cube means 3y square means n x raised to n minus 1. Again, differentiating dx minus 2 equal to x differentiating with respect to y means dx upon dy, and constant term derivative equal to 0. That is, we get the value of dx upon dy equal to 3y square. Again, using the formula dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx upon dy equal to dx upon dy total value 3y square equal to 1 upon 3. Calculate the value of y square using the y equal to 3 root x minus 2, y equal to x minus 2 raised to 1 by 3. That is, y square equal to y cube equal to x minus 2, y cube equal to x minus 2 multiplied by both sides raised to 2 by 3. 3 cancel, we get the value of y square equal to x minus 2, 2 by 3. Y square equal to x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3. Total answer dy by dx equal to 1 upon 3 into bracket x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3. Next. Question number 1 same. Problem number 3. Y equal to log 2x minus 1. We know that ddx of log x equal to 1 upon x. Using this formula, first using the logarithmic rule, both sides e raised to y equal to 2x minus 1. Again taking the differentiation, again taking the log both sides, we get y equal to log 2x minus 1. E raised to y equal to 2x minus 1, that is x equal to e raised to y minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Differentiating with respect to y, inverse function y, x differentiation of x equal to dx upon dy equal to d dx of total e raised to y plus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2, 2 constant, 1 upon 2 constant, differentiating e raised to y plus 1, d dx of e raised to x equal to e raised to x. This is same as differentiating with respect to y, e raised to y equal to e raised to y, and differentiation 1 means constant term equal to 0. We get the final value dx upon dy equal to e raised to y upon 2 equal to 2x minus 1 upon 2. But dy by dx equal to 2 upon 2x minus 1. Next, fourth number, log y equal to log x by 2 to base 2. Using the logarithmic rule, both sides 2 raised to y equal to x upon 2. That is, x equal to 2 into 2 raised to y. Base equivalent addition 2 raised to y plus 1. We get the total problem x equal to 2 raised to y plus 1. Differentiating with respect to y, x derivative dx upon dy, right side derivative dx d by dx 2 raised to y plus 1 equal to, again using the rule d dx of a raised to x, d dx of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log a, again differentiating with respect to x. This is same as 2 equal to a constant term, y plus 1 equal to x means a raised to x, a raised to x means 2 raised to y plus 1 into log 2, and again differentiating with respect to y plus 1 with y. First term same, log 2 same, dy by dx with respect to y means y 1 and constant term derivative 0. dx upon dy equal to x log 2, x equal to again 2 raised to y plus 1, 2 raised to y plus 1 का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, x equal to we get dx upon dy equal to x log 2. Next, using the definition inverse function dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Write the value of dx upon dy equal to x log 2. We get the final answer dy by dx equal to 1 upon x log 2. Next, exercise, same exercise 1.2, question number 2. Find the differentiation, find the derivative of inverse function of the following. Total problem 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First problem, y equal to x square into e raised to x. In first problem contain two function. First function x square, second function e raised to x. Using the product rule, means rules of differentiation, d dx of u into v equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u, means first function same, derivative of second function plus second function same, derivative of first function. इंटरचेंज होगा तो भी चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. प्लस साइन, फर्स्ट फंक्शन सेम, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकंड फंक्शन प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन and derivative of first function equal to dy by dx differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to x square same d dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x d dx of x square same e raised to derivative e raised to x same e raised to x plus e raised to x same x square derivative 2x common number x e raised to x and remaining number x plus 2. dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. The total value dy by dx, ये जो वैल्यू मिला है x e raised to x x plus 2, ये dx upon dy का है. dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. dy by dx का वैल्यू x e raised to x x plus 2, differentiating with respect to x. First, in this problem, first calculate the value of dy by dx and second dx upon dy. dx upon dy means by using the inverse function theorem. Second problem, let y equal to f of x equal to, second problem, x cos x. Again, in this problem number 2 consists of again two function. First function x, second function cos x. Differentiating with respect to x, first function same, derivative of second function plus second function same and derivative of first function. First x same, d dx of cos x equal to minus sin x plus cos x same, d dx of x, derivative of x equal to 1. Next day minus sign, minus x cos x first minus x sin x, dy by dx का वैल्यू, but dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx by the definition of inverse function equal to 1 upon dy by dx का वैल्यू cos x minus x sin x. The total answer y equal to x cos x equal to 1 upon cos x minus x sin x. Next, exercise 1.2 question number 3. Question number 3, find the derivative of the inverse of the following function and find their value at a point indicate against them. In question number 3, the value of x is given. First, calculate the value of dy by dx, and after calculation dy by dx, write the value of x equal to 1. First problem, y equal to x raised to 5 2x cube plus 3x. Differentiating with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx, d dx of x raised to 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x, taking the differentiation both sides. First, differentiation of x raised to 5 means x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. n equal to 5, x raised to 5 minus 1 means 4, plus 2 constant number same. Again using the formula x raised to n equal to 3. 3 x raised to n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 2, plus 3 same, derivative of x is 1, equal to 5x raised to 4, 3 into 2 6x square plus 3. We get the value of dy by dx. But in given problem x equal to 1, write the value of dy by dx at x equal to 1 means put x equal to 1. 5 same, x equal to 1 raised to 4 plus 6 same, x equal to 1 square plus 3. 1 raised to 4 means 1, 5, 1 plus into 6 plus 3. Total answer equal to 14. Means dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx at x equal to 1 equal to 1 upon 14. Write the value of dy by dx equal to 14 means total answer 1 upon 14. Next. Second problem, y equal to 3x square plus 2 log x raised to 3 at x equal to 2, x equal to 1. In second problem, y equal to 3x square plus 2 log x cube, the value of x equal to 1. First differentiating with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx, ddx of 3x square plus 2 log x cube. First taking the differentiation 3x square, 3 constant ddx of x square, 2 constant derivative of log x cube. 3 numbers same, x square derivative 2x plus 2 constant log x cube. First taking the differentiation log x. Log x means ddx of log x 1 upon x. Means first taking the differentiation log x. Log means 1 upon x cube and again differentiation x cube. फर्स्ट log x का डेरिवेटिव होगा, उसके बाद x क्यूब का होगा, मतलब दोनों का होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट टर्म सेम आएगा 2 1 अपॉन x क्यूब डी डी एक्स ऑफ x क्यूब मीन्स 3x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर कैंसल 6x प्लस 3 इंटू 2 6 अपॉन x. dy by dx इक्वल टू टोटल आंसर 6x plus 6 upon x dy by dx, but the value of x equal to 1. dy by dx, write the value of x equal to 1 equal to 6 into 1 plus 6 upon 1. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. We get the value of dy by dx. By using the inverse function theorem, calculate dx upon dy. Dx upon dy means 1 upon dy by dx. At x equal to 1, dy by dx equal to 12 means 1 upon 12. Problem number 4th, if f of x equal to, ये थोड़ा अलग टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. 4th नंबर, if f of x equal to x cube plus x minus 2, find f inverse dash, point is 0. f inverse dash 0. Let given f of x equal to x cube plus x minus 2. f of x means y equal to f of x, x cube plus x minus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, left side derivative f dash x equal to d dx of total right side term x cube plus x minus 2. Differentiation x cube equal to 3x square, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant term 0. f dash x equal to 3x square plus 1. f dash x means dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 1. But the point x equal to 0. Write the value of x equal to 0 means f dash 0 equal to 3 into 0 plus 1. We get the value of f dash 0 equal to 1. But calculate f inverse dash 0. f inverse dash 0 means 1 upon f dash 0. Formula f inverse dash 0 equal to 1 upon f dash 0 equal to f dash 0 equal to 1 means total answer 1 upon 1 equal to 1. f inverse dash 0 equal to 1. Total answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, using the derivative to show that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2, so that the LHS equal to RHS. First differentiating left side, similarly differentiating right side. Differentiation right side constant term derivative equal to 0. Again differentiation left side tan inverse x derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square and derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 upon x square. दोनों cancel equal to 0, means LHS equal to RHS. Proof: let f of x equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Left side LHS differentiating with respect to x, f of x differentiation f dash x, d dx of tan inverse x plus d dx of cot inverse x, d dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square minus cot inverse derivative minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Cancelling term right side, f dash x equal to 0. 0 equal to constant term. f of x equal to c. f dash x equal to 0 means f of x equal to c. c equal to constant term, derivative of constant term equal to 0. f of x equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, put x equal to 1. x equal to 1 because the value of f of x equal to c. c means constant term, any constant number 1, 0, any number. Consider x equal to 1, f of 1 tan inverse 1 plus cot inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. Cot inverse 1 means pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. We get the right side, means LHS equal to RHS, and hence tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi upon 2 for all value of x. We get the LHS equal to RHS. Next exercise 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के अंदर टोटल 1 to 10 प्रॉब्लम है. टोटल 1 to 10 प्रॉब्लम. टाइप नंबर 1 के अंदर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 to 8 आएगा एंड प्रॉब्लम नंबर 9, 10 अलग टाइप का, मीन्स टाइप नंबर 2. फर्स्ट टाइप y इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स log x. टाइप 1 मीन्स we know that differentiation tan inverse x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, y equal to tan inverse log x. We know that d of tan inverse f of x equal to f dash x upon 1 plus f of x whole square. टाइप नंबर 1. टाइप नंबर 1 के अंदर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 to 8 tan इनवर्स मीन्स टाइप नंबर 1 के अंदर 6 फॉर्मूला यूज होगा. डी डी एक्स ऑफ साइन इनवर्स, cos inverse, tan inverse, cosec inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse. First problem, y equal to tan inverse log x. Using the formula tan inverse, d dx of tan inverse f of x. f of x means log x. f of x equal to log x. यहाँ पे भी लिखा है f of x equal to log x equal to f dash x means differentiating f of x divided by 1 plus f of x whole square. First derivative with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx and total derivative right side. dy by dx left side same रहेगा. tan inverse log x right side देखो f dash x. f dash x means derivative of log x. derivative of log x upon 1 plus f of x का वैल्यू log x square means log x whole square equal to log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x. ये टर्म सेम आएगा means 1 upon x 1 plus log x whole square. टोटल आंसर dy by dx equal to 1 upon x 1 plus log x whole square. हाँ, फर्स्ट फार्मूला यूज हुआ है tan इनवर्स वाला. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम y इक्वल टू कोसेक इनवर्स e रेज टू माइनस x. इस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 के अंदर डी डी एक्स ऑफ कोसेक इनवर्स एक्स का फॉर्मूला यूज होगा. वी नो दैट डी डी एक्स ऑफ कोसेक इनवर्स एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ ऑफ एक्स रूट एफ ऑफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1. In previous video lecture we have discussed the formula C. फॉर्मूला C से स्टार्ट होगा तो उसका आंसर माइनस आता है. cos इनवर्स x, cosec इनवर्स x and cot इनवर्स x. This is same as d dx of cosec inverse f of x equal to minus f dash x upon f of x root f of x square minus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx, d dx of cosec inverse e raised to minus x, f of x equal to e raised to minus x. ये f of x का वैल्यू है. लेफ्ट साइड डेरिवेटिव dy by dx, राइट साइड टोटल डेरिवेटिव. फर्स्ट है डिफरेंशिएटिंग cosec inverse x. cosec inverse x means f of x root f of x square minus 1. f of x equal to e raised to minus x. माइनस साइन सेम, f of x का वैल्यू e raised to minus x, रूट के अंदर f of x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया e raised to minus x होल स्क्वायर, अगेन माइनस 1 एंड f dash x. f dash x मीन्स डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to minus x इक्वल टू ए सेम आएगा, खाली e raised to minus x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस e raised to minus x, माइनस माइनस प्लस e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x cancel. लास्ट है root 1 upon root e raised to minus 2x minus 1. We get the value of dy by dx equal to 1 upon root e raised to minus 2x minus 1. e raised to minus 2 transfer 1 upon, we get the positive sign. E raised to minus 2x. Root 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1. Taking the LCM, LCM equal to e raised to 2x multiplied by 1 means 1 minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x. Remove the root e raised to 2x upon e raised to x. Transfer e raised to x upon root 1 minus e raised to 2x. Total answer cosec inverse e raised to minus x differentiation e raised to x upon root 1 minus e raised to 2x. Next. Exercise 1.2 question number 6 type 1. Again type 1, y equal to sin inverse root 1 plus x square upon 2. We know that d dx of sin inverse f of x equal to f of f dash x upon root 1 minus f of x whole square. In problem number 3 sin inverse का फॉर्मूला यूज होगा. f of x का वैल्यू कितना है, रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 f of x का. डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स y डेरिवेटिव dy by dx, f dash x means d dx of root 1 plus x square upon 2 upon root 1 same f of x square means root 1 plus x square upon 2 whole square. फर्स्ट टर्म सेम आएगा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस नंबर a root a, d dx of root x means 1 upon 2 into root x. This is same as 1 upon 2 root d dx of root 1 plus x square. 1 upon root 2 कांस्टेंट है, बाहर आएगा और d dx of root 1 plus x square बचेगा. ये नंबर सेम है, ये सेम d dx of root x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 2 root 1 plus x square एंड ये खाली रूट का डिफरेंशिएशन हुआ और रूट के अंदर जो नंबर रहेगा 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर का भी वापस डेरिवेटिव लिखना है, डी डी एक्स ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. ये नंबर सेम, ए सेम, 1 डेरिवेटिव कांस्टेंट टर्म डेरिवेटिव 0 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव 2x, 2 कैंसल, रूट 2 कैंसल, 1 upon root 1 minus x square into x upon root 1 plus x square. We get the value of dy by dx equal to x upon root 1 minus x raised to 4. ये हुआ exercise 1.2 question number 6 type number 1. Next, last question. Exercise 1.2 question number 6 type number 2. Type number 2 means 9 and 10. दो प्रॉब्लम अलग टाइप का है, इसलिए टाइप नंबर 2 लिखा है। y इक्वल टू कॉस क्यूब कॉस इनवर्स एक्स क्यूब। ये जो क्यूब लिखा है ये टोटल ब्रैकेट के अंदर ऊपर लिखा है, देखो ये दोनों सेम है। कॉस कॉस इनवर्स एक्स क्यूब, ए क्यूब एक ही टर्म है, मीन्स cos inverse x cube equal to 3, but we know that cos inverse cos x equal to x, ये दोनों नंबर cos सेम रहेगा तो ये नंबर सेम आता है। जितना x क्यूब रहेगा तो क्यूब आएगा, x स्क्वायर रहेगा तो x स्क्वायर आएगा। दिस इज सेम एज y इक्वल टू, ये दोनों नंबर सेम है, खाली ये टोटल आंसर इक्वल टू x क्यूब और ये 3 सेम आएगा। द 3 इंटू 3 9, y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब। Differentiating with respect to y, x dy by dx, x raised to 9 means 9, x raised to 9 minus 1, 9x raised to 8. Simple. 10 number, y equal to sin raised to 4, sin inverse root x. Again, use the formula sin inverse sin x. दोनों sin sin रहेगा, जैसे यहाँ पे cos है x आता है, वैसा sin sin रहेगा तो भी x आएगा। ये दोनों सेम है। साइन इनवर्स रूट एक्स, ये 4 ट्रांसफर कर दिया, मतलब दोनों सेम है। इक्वल टू साइन रूट एक्स सेम आएगा रेज टू 4, टोटल आंसर इक्वल टू रूट एक्स मीन्स एक्स रेज टू हाफ रेज टू 4 मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर, ये डिवाइड होगा एक्स स्क्वायर। वाई इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, टेकिंग द डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, dy by dx equal to 2x. We get the complete exercise 1.2 question number 6. Question number 6 के अंदर दो टाइप है। फर्स्ट जो टाइप है प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 to 8 का अलग टाइप है, और टाइप नंबर 2 9 एंड 10 नंबर। नेक्स्ट अभी एक्सरसाइज 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के लिए ये फॉर्मूला इम्पॉर्टेंट है। अभी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक्सरसाइज 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके।